Hello students, welcome back to my math channel Math Web. Now I will answer you question number 9 from Cambridge International A-Level exam for Pure Math 1. This exam is taken in October-November session year 2024. Paper reference code is 9709/11. The equation of the curve is y equals to 4 plus 5x plus 6x square minus 3x cube. Find the set of the values of x for which y decreases as x increases. Before going into solve this question, let me tell you very important things, like if we have a cubic graph, because here is a negative sign for cube, for sure it looks like this. No need to draw, it is just only for you to explain the topic. We know that the gradient is the line that touches the curve at one point. At this region of, for example, if you draw a tangent line here at this region, it touches here, and here the gradient is less than 0. dy by dx is less than 0 because the slope of this line is negative, therefore it is less than 0. And we know that at the bottom of this graph, if the at this point the gradient is equals to 0, when it becomes parallel to x-axis, gradient becomes equals to 0. Therefore for stationary points we are putting dy by dx equals to 0. Okay, if you notice that this region of the graph, y is decreasing as x is increasing. Y is decreasing this way downwards, y decreases. If the graph goes like this means y decreases. Okay, in this way x increases. Got it? Hopefully. And at this part of the graph, let me tell you, at this region, if you draw a tangent line at this point like this, here the gradient is greater than 0 because here the gradient line is increasing, it is going this way. Here gradient is greater than 0. Okay, in this region gradient is less than 0 and y is decreasing. At this region gradient is greater than 0 and here y is increasing. At the bottom gradient equals to 0. What we understand, when y is decreasing and x is increasing, gradient is always less than 0. Therefore, to solve this part, to find the set of the values for x, first of all you need to find the gradient of this function, this curve. To find the gradient, we will differentiate this value. 4 plus 5x plus 6x square minus 3x cube. To find the gradient of this curve, we have to differentiate this function. Therefore, dy by dx will be equals to, derivative of constant number is 0. No need to write. 5x is 5. And here we will multiply 2 with 6. It becomes 12. Take 1 away from x square. So it left with 1 only. This 3 will multiply by negative 3. It makes it minus 9. And take 1 away from 3. It left with 2 only. As per rule, as y decreases, as x increases, dy over dx must be less than 0. dy by dx less than 0 because of this reason. Okay. Now 5 plus 12x minus 9x square is less than 0. To make the coefficient of x square positive, it is the easiest way to solve these type of questions. What we will do now, we will multiply by negative number. Okay, make the coefficient of x square positive. So it will be 9x square minus 12x minus 5. The signs of, and also when you multiply by negative number, inequality is changed. If it is smaller, it becomes greater. Let me give you example. We know that 2 is less than 6. Everybody knows it. If you multiply by a negative number, any number, so it will be minus 2 and here it will be minus 6. Minus 2 is not smaller than minus 6. It is greater than this one. Therefore, whenever you multiply by negative number, we always flip this inequality. If we will change this one. If it is smaller, we will make it greater. If it is greater, we will make it smaller. Here it was smaller, therefore we will make it greater. Okay. Now, how to solve the inequality? We find the critical values. For finding critical values, what we will do? We always put this inequality equals to 0. 9x square minus 12x minus 5 will be equals to 0. By quadratic formula, because the quadratic formula works all the time. So best thing, you apply here quadratic formula. X equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And we plug the values here. Minus b is minus 12, so it will make it plus 12, plus minus square of minus 12 will be 144, minus 4a, a is 9 and c is minus 5, divide by 2a, 2 multiply a is 9. Now we will solve the value under the square root. If we solve this square root value, we get the answer as 18, divide by 18. In this way we will get two answers for x. One will be 12 plus 18 divide by 18, it is 30 over 18, and we will simplify. This will give us answer as 5 over 3, and other answer of x will be 12 minus 18 divided by 18, that will be minus 6 over 18, it is minus 1 over 3. So these are the two critical values, and how to solve this inequality. First of all, we know that the coefficient of x square is positive, and we will have a u-shaped graph. Okay, how to solve, how to get the solution for inequality? Look at the coefficient of x square. Because it is a quadratic, so our graph will be u-shaped. If the value of coefficient of x square is positive, we get u-shaped, and if the coefficient of x square is negative, we get the graph as n-shaped. Got it? In this case, because our inequality is this one, so we'll have u-shaped graph like that. Now you have to put here critical values. One critical value is minus 1 over 3. Minus 1 over 3 will be on the left side, and positive 5 over 3 will be on the right side. Got it? So these are two critical values, and this is the x-axis line. Now look at this inequality. Our function is greater than 0. Our function greater than 0 means we will consider this part of the graph. This is our solution. Greater than 0 above the x-axis. If it is greater than 0, we will consider the graph above the x-axis. If it is smaller than 0, we will consider the graph below the x-axis. But here it is greater, therefore we will consider this graph. All the values under this graph, you know, these values are going that way. These are the values of x. In this way, you know, this is the value of x equals to 5 over 3. These values are going on the right side. Therefore we will write the answer for x is greater than 5 over 3, because the right side values of x will be greater than 5 over 3. This will be the one answer. Or other answer, under this graph, the all the values under this graph will be our solution. This is the other value of x, because on this side the values of x are smaller than minus 1 over 3. So these are the two possible answers for this part. Actually, we need to find the set of the values for which y decreases as x increases. So we got this set of values for which x is increasing and y is decreasing. So this is the possible answer for part 1 for this question. Hopefully you understand it. Let's move on to the next part. Second part, it is given that y equals to 9x plus k is a tangent to the curve. Find the value of constant k. We have this equation of the tangent line, y equals to 9x plus k. It is given that the tangent to the curve, find the value of the constant k. Actually, this one, we know that if you compare the this one with the equation of the line, the standard formula of equation of line, this 9 is the gradient, where gradient equals to 9. So we can write here gradient equals to 9. From part 1, we already got the gradient. This dy by dx is called the gradient. This one. This is the gradient. From part A, we can write the gradient as, from part A, gradient equals to 5 plus 12x minus 9x square. Minus 9x square. Substitute the value of the gradient. You can write it in order. Minus 9x square plus 12x plus 5 is equals to 9. Bring this 9 here, so it will be minus 9x square plus 12x minus 4 equals to 0. To get rid of this negative number, multiply by negative value, negative 1. So it will be 9x square minus 12x plus 4 equals to 0. From here we can solve this quadratic by using quadratic formula. Quadratic formula works all the time, okay? So it is easy to find the values, or you can find these values directly by using calculator. By quadratic formula, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substitute the values. minus b is 12 plus minus b square is 144 minus 4a is 9 and c is 4. Take the square root of this value, divide by 2a. 2 multiply a is 9. So it will be 12 plus minus, solve the value under the square root. Actually this is 0. 2 multiply 9 is 18 and we get the answer, only one answer, that is 12 over 18, and you can simplify this one. It will be 2 over 3. This is the x coordinate of the point when the gradient is 9, 2 over 3. When the gradient is 9, we use the gradient as 9 if you remember here, okay, because gradient is 9 and we found the point where the gradient is 9. We got the x coordinate. Still you need to find the y coordinate. Equation of the curve is given as y equals to 4 plus 5x plus 6x square minus 3x cube. We will substitute this value of x in this equation to find the y coordinate. 4 plus 5 into 2 over 3 plus 6 into 2 over 3 whole square minus 3 into 2 over 3 whole cube. Write as is in your calculator to get the y coordinate. Y will be equals to 82 over 9. Now we'll substitute these values in this equation of the line y equals to 9x plus k. This is the equation of the line, tangent line. We will substitute these two values of x to find the value of k. Replace the values of y and x. Y is 82 over 9 equals to 9 into value of x is 2 over 3 plus k. This 3 and 9 could be cancelled out. It left with 6. 3 multiplied 2 is 6, and this 6 moves to the left side. Therefore value of k will be equals to 82 over 9 minus 6, and finally we will get the answer as 28 over 9. So this is the answer of the second part of question number 9. Hopefully you understand it. Still, if you have a doubt or you want to write any comment about this question, write in the comment box. Thank you.